Okay, turn right 070, and we're showing, we're slowing through 250. What do you need? Yeah, that was our 30602, so give 179. Denmark 111 Heavy, maintain 2 to establish good hours, 3 on right approach, speed 180 now. Okay, 180 and 2 to establish approach. Delta 1984 Heavy, turn right heading 170, descend to maintain 16,000, altimeter 3040. TWA 708 New York. Delta 1716, turn left heading 130. 130 to 1716. F4 Mike, please, just by Dandy. TWA 708 New York.
$500.
Yeah, Avalanche Tower, 30602, so give 179. TWA 708, information November is current, the altimeter is 3040. Mike, okay, sir, after Torby Circle, south to the left base, runway 1, turn a 3-mile final for me. Good afternoon. American 1262 Heavy. The left side is available.